Hi YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make a nail gun blow dart. Yeah, it'll fall in that category. Alright, first thing you'll need is some stronger paper. So me, I used an old Cosmic Brownie box. I just cut it up, made a square. You will need duct tape, and before you start, you should always have a couple pieces ripped. So I'm going to do that while I'm explaining materials. You'll also need a nail, cutting utensils, and if you have a blow dart tube, that'll work, but me, I used this much of 1/2-inch pipe. I didn't measure it, I just cut it when I thought it was going to be enough. Okay, so now let me rip a couple pieces of duct tape. There's one. Oh yeah, and this is the finished product. It's right here. And got the nail. Okay, let me rip one more piece of duct tape. Okay, let's get started. So now you're going to want to take your square piece and you're going to want to kind of roll it into a cone. And you're just going to want to take one corner and just roll it. It's easier if you're rolling it on a surface, but I'm trying to roll it up in the air so you guys can see. That piece isn't big enough. You're going to want something bigger than this. Just found that out the hard way. Okay, let me get that into a smaller square. New square now. And roll it up. Singing Ariel. Make sure it's got a kind of a small entrance on it. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so now I have it in my cone shape. Now I just want to tape it up. Okay, so now it's taped. And you can see the little hole. You can see it probably better from there. Take your nail. Where's my nail? Right here. Put the top up. So you're just going to want to drop it down through. You might have to push it through a little bit. And then pull it tightly. Take another piece of duct tape. You put like half of it on your paper and half of it on the nail to tape the nail in. So when you're shooting, it does not come out. I'm going to get one more piece of duct tape. Now grab your blow dart tube or PVC pipe. Time to measure now. The extra that doesn't really want to go in, just cut that off. You don't need it. Now take it back out of the tube. And then stick your finger in it to make it wider. Okay. See how it's a snug fit in there? It won't come all the way through, only if there's air pressure. Or shaking it. Alright. So now it's time to test. I'll take this bullet and move my chair out of the way. You can see there's 3 bottles. 1, 2, and 3. I have 3 darts. I'm going to go for the bottle on the middle. Trial 1. Test 1. 1, 2, 3, go. Take down. 1 down. I'm going to go for the one on the left. Got down to. Last bottle, last down. On 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 for 3. And that's how you make the nail blow dart gun. And subscribe and oh yeah, I cannot be held liable for any accidents or injuries that happen with the nail gun, so just be safe when you're playing with it and don't point it at anybody. Alright, thanks YouTube. Subscribe.